As the official, unofficial reviewer of Moebius model kits, I'm going to take a look at the Proteus. This kit is 1/32 scale. It retails around $115, and it is available online or at your local hobby shop. Always start with the box. Beautiful box art. Box art's done by the great John Eves. The back of the box, which shows you the completed model. Again, next up we start with the instructions. The beautiful instructions, they're in color, and the assembly is straight forward. Full color paint guide and decal placement. Completed model. Very nice. It comes molded in light gray styrene, and it's a gorgeous kit. I haven't yet to. I haven't seen any flash on it or sink marks. There's consoles and some couch. Oxygen tanks. Ooh, you can get the weapon. Didn't know that. Seats. I mean, the kit parts are sharp. Even the grill work is fantastic. This kit's got a lot of parts for its size. The interior is outstanding. Oh, what we got here? Ah, the fin. And the hatches. And the sidewall details, I mean, you can see some rivets, and it's very nice and crisp. The fin, I guess top hatch I would call it. This detail on it's crazy nuts. I assume the front console. Even the ladder is very sharp on there. Oh, and this part fell off the sprue. And it does come with some clear parts. You basically get one sprue, and you do get the glass that fits in the window frame there, and that is crystal clear. No flesh on that at all, and they do wrap it up. It's inside the hull when you open the box, so it was very secure. And the one sprue of clear is well done. And there's the frame. And the Proteus itself. First off, this kit measures about 15 inches long and about 8 inches wide. This comes in like 3 parts. You get the top, which again I see no imperfections or flash or anything of that nature. Basically, you get a second piece. I call it the cockpit tub. And it fits extremely well in the bottom here. obviously right in 4 holes, fits perfect. And then the bottom piece, very little cleanup if any, about right there. Just an extraordinary kit. And last but not least, you do get some water slide decals, and they come in a protected poly bag with the backing, so that is good. Excellent decals. I don't think they're too thick or too thin. I think they'll slide off just right. Absolutely gorgeous kit. I highly recommend the Proteus from Moebius.